this 2006 Jayco pull trailer. (2006) Jayco 30 first pull trailer bunkhouse. This one slide has engine with rear-wheel drive and a transmission. (2006) Jayco Jay Flight 31-foot pull trailer with one slide. Power front jack, power living room slide. This camper is extra clean with the perfect floor plan. Front master with walk-around, clean bed, rear bunks, sleeps 9. Clean title, winterized and ready for its new family. $8,995. 1645 North Montana Avenue, Helena, Montana. 406-442-2931. JDAutoSales.net.